Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect StarTrader to MT5. First of all, what we're gonna do is we need to create an account. So we go to accounts, and then for here, let's click on demo account, and we want to create an account. So we do open account, demo account, select here the MetaTrader 5, we select USD 121, and let's do a balance of 100k. Then we do submit. Oh, sorry, we need to click on standard, and then we do submit, and then we do confirm. And then right now we just created an account right here. So this is our account that we will use. Then from now we go to downloads, and we have here the option for MetaTrader 4, but we want 5. So we click here on Windows. Then we click here on the setup, and then we do download yes. Then right now we click here on finish, and there it is. We get immediately the Start Trading Financial Markets Limited. So now we click here on next. Then from here, we click here on connecting with an existing trade account. So if you go to your email right here, you will find here the login code. So we do this, right mouse click copy, then click on this, right mouse click paste. Then we go back, and here we have our password, select it, right mouse click copy. Go to MetaTrader, and then we do paste. And now if we click here on finish, we have the MetaTrader 5 StarTrader, exactly what we wanted. So this is how you can connect StarTrader with MetaTrader 4. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.